Namaste everyone, my name is Samir Varwalkar. I'm going to be your yoga teacher today. So today we are going to do a full body flow vinyasa class focused on twisting. Twisting poses are really important in yoga. The main advantage of twisting poses is really good digestion. So imagine when you are twisting on one side, you are stretching the internal organs on this side and contracting on this side. When you are doing the same thing on the opposite side, the opposite is happening. Just like when you are working on your biceps, you lift a 10-pound dumbbell, 20, 30, 40, you are actually working on the muscle, right? Making it big and strong. Every pose in yoga also works on the internal organs of the body, and twisting is especially helpful for that. So your pancreas, liver, they get a nice workout whenever we are doing the twisting. It really promotes in better digestion. Right? In twisting, always remember, the spine is twisted along its vertical axis. So try not to lean back and twist. Keep your spine straight and clear. Right? Let's begin our sequence for today. Sit in Sukhasana, the easy pose. Buttocks on the ground, back straight, tummy in, chest out, shoulders down, palms on your knees. Keep your eyes closed. 5 breath count. Deep inhale. Exhale. 5. Deep inhale. Exhale. 4. Throughout the sequence, focus on your breathing, belly breathing or diaphragm breathing. 3. Mentally get your body ready for 1 hour of intense yoga poses. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. 1. Gently open your eyes. Let's get into neutral tabletop for warm-ups. In neutral tabletop, palms are shoulder width apart, wrists directly under the shoulder, elbows facing each other. Knees are hip width apart, knee under the hip, toes are tucked out. 5 breath count, Madhyasana, Bitilasana, cat and cow. Inhale, head up, chest up. While exhaling, start pulling your back from your tailbone, lumbar, thoracic, cervical. Tuck your chin under, complete heart arch. 5. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. 1. Back to neutral tabletop. From neutral tabletop, gently kick your left leg back. Swing your left leg over the right leg. 5 breath count. Inhale forward, exhale back. 5. Forward, backward. 4. Inhale, exhale. 3. Forward, backward. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Back to neutral tabletop. Gently kick your right leg back. Bring it on top of your left leg. Inhale forward, exhale back. 5. Forward, backward. 4. Inhale, exhale. 3. Forward, backward. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. To neutral tabletop. From neutral tabletop, a gentle twist, threading the needle. Lift your left hand pointing to the sky. Thread the needle, left shoulder and left side of the head on the ground. Right hand, stretch it over your ear. Now, if you can, gently kick your left leg back and high. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your left leg back down, right palm under the shoulder, push your body off the ground. Back to neutral tabletop. Gently, right hand up, thread the needle. Left hand stretch over your ear. If you can, gently kick your right leg back and high. 5, 4, toes are tucked out. 3, 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Gently bring your right leg back down, left palm under the shoulder. Push your body forward. Relax child pose, twisting. Flare your knees out, toes touching each other. Push your body back, buttocks resting on the heel. We are not doing child pose, we are doing child pose twist. So stretch your hands and very gently twist your spine towards the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gently come back to neutral. Inhale and towards right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come back to neutral. And now stretch your hands out. 5. Forehead resting on the ground. 4, 3, 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Bring your palms under your shoulders. Push your body off the ground. Knees together. Vajrasana. Thunderbolt pose. 5. Thunderbolt pose. Toes touching each other. Buttocks resting on the heel. 4. And arching your lower back. Tummy in. Chest out. Shoulders down. Palms on your knees. 3, 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. So for the students who just joined a little bit late, we are focusing on twisting poses today. In every pose, really feel how your spine is feeling and twist as deep as you can based on your flexibility. Plank. Chaturanga, no plank. Tuck your toes out. Inhale. Head up, chest up. Urdhva Mukha. Upward dog. Tuck your toes in. Hips pointing to the sky. Downward dog. From downward dog, gently bend your knees and jump into a standing forward fold. Very gently rise up. Uttanasana, standing forward fold. Feet together or parallel. Inhale. Index finger on the hip bone. Tummy in, chest out, shoulders pulled back. Head up, chest up. Exhale. Very gently, just push your hips back. Keep your legs straight. Push your hip back and stretch your spine. Very gently. All the way down. Fingers are lying on the ground. Neck is loose and relaxed. 5. Even if your fingers do not touch the ground, that is perfectly fine. Keep your legs straight. 4. Neck is loose and relaxed, which means your eyes are looking towards your knees. 3, 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Palms at top of the mat. Bend your knees, jump back to plank. Chaturanga. Inhale. Upward dog. Exhale. Downward dog. Parivritta Anjaneyasana. Low lunge twist. Kick your left leg back. High in the sky, three-legged dog. Bring your left foot between your palms. Back knee down. Back toe tucked out. Rise up. In Anjaneyasana, knee on top of ankle. Rotate your sternum towards the left side. Right tricep on left thigh. Palms together. Twist your spine and look back. 5. 4. Toes are tucked out. 3, 2. Deep inhale. We are not done. Exhale. Tuck your back toe in and lift your back knee up. 5, 4. Twisting, right? We are doing twisting today. 3. Twist your spine as much as you can. Look back. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Be careful. Gently back knee down. Very gently. Back knee down. Back toe tucked out. Palms to heart center. Palms back on the ground. Tuck your back toe in, back knees up, down dog. From downward dog, kick your right leg back, high in the sky, three-legged dog. Bring your right foot between your palms. Back knee down, back toe tucked out. Rise up. Try to kick your back knee as further back as possible. Move your knee on top of ankle. Yeah. Rotate your sternum towards right. Left tricep on right thigh, palms together, twist and look back. 5, 4, 3, 2, deep inhale, exhale, tuck your back toe in, lift your back knee up. 5, try to keep the back leg straight. 4, tuck your tummy in, navel towards the spine. 3, 2, deep inhale, exhale, very gently, back knee down, back toe tucked out, palms to heart center. Palms back on the ground. Tuck your back toe in, back knee up, plank. Chaturanga low plank. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Stay in downward dog for 5 breaths now. 5, 4, in downward dog, try to push your heel on the ground. If your heel is not touching the ground, gently move your feet slightly towards your palms and push the heel down so you activate your ankle flexibility. 3, 2, deep inhale, exhale. When your knees jump into a standing forward fold, exhale. Very gently, rise up. Keep your right leg straight, bend your left leg. Left palm. Bring your left palm in front of the feet. Right hand is free. Keeping your right leg straight, gently twist your right hand pointing to the sky and stack the shoulders on top of each other. 5, 4, 3, 2, deep inhale, exhale. Gently bring your right palm on the ground. Now straighten out your left leg, bend your right leg. Left hand is free this time. And twist, twist, twist. 5. Try to stack your shoulders on top of each other in one line. 4, 3, 2, deep inhale, exhale. Bring your palms on the ground, bend your knees, palms behind your hips, support your hips, very gently rise up. In every standing forward fold, either feet are touching each other or parallel. Do not flare them out because you will hurt your knees. Yeah? Clasp your fingers. Inhale. Left through the lats. Very gently exhale. Twist your spine towards the left side. 5. Try to pull your arms behind your ears. 4. Perfect. 3, 2, exhale. Come back to neutral. Inhale. Exhale towards right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come back to neutral. Palms on top of the mat. Bend your knee, jump back to plank. Chaturanga. Inhale. Upward dog. Exhale. Downward dog. Parivritta Ardha Ashwa Sanchalanasana. twist and high lunge. Gently kick your left leg back, high in the sky, three-legged dog. Bring your left foot between your palms. Back foot is in runner's stance. Rise up. Sit on the front leg, knee on top of ankle. Back is straight. Very gently. Inhale. And gently exhale. Rotate it towards the left side. Split your hands out. 5. Try not to lean forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms to heart center. Palms back on the ground. Into a downward dog. From down dog, kick your right leg back, high in the sky, three-legged dog. Bring your right foot between the palms. Back foot in runner stance. Rise up. Try to squat low as much as you can. Knee on top of ankle. Bring your knee forward. Inhale. Exhale. Towards the right, split your hands out. 5. Do not do this. Do this. Don't lean forward. Back. 4. Twist deeper. 3. Stretch your hands out. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Palms to heart center. Palms back on the ground. Into downward dog. Relax child pose. First break of the sequence. 5 breath count. 5. Stretch your hands out. 4, 3, 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Bring your palms under your shoulders. Push your body off the ground. Knees together. Vajrasana. How is everyone feeling? Alright, now we're going to get into some deeper level poses, yeah? Plank. Chaturanga, low plank. Inhale. Upward dog. Exhale. Downward dog. Staying in downward dog, take your left hand and grab your right ankle from outside. 5, 4, 3. Try to keep the legs straight if you can. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. And switch. 5, 4, 3, 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Back to downward dog. Bend your knee, jump into standing forward fold. Exhale, rise up. Parivrtta Utkatasana. Twisted chair. So first we can get into a chair pose. Twist and then split. Alright. Inhale. Lift your hands up. Exhale. Imagine you're sitting on a chair. Now tailbone, tuck it in. Not out. Tailbone, tuck it in. Your back is neutral. Squat as low as you can. 5. Lift your hands up. 4. Look to the front. 3, 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Very gently rotate your sternum towards the left side. Your right elbow on left knee and twist your spine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are not done. Now gently spread your arms out open and kick your left hand back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to palms to heart center. Inhale. Exhale. Rotate towards the right. Left elbow on right knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And split your hands out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms to heart center. Gently rise up. Parivrtta Trikonasana, revolved triangle. This is a balancing and twisting pose. So, top of the mat. Keep your right leg straight, bend your left leg. Come to the top of the mat. Gently, keeping your pelvic chest facing forward. Lift your left leg, bring it back. Both the legs remain straight. So, your right leg is forward. Inhale. Hinge at your hip, 90 degrees. Stretch your spine. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Now, for beginner and intermediate, take your left hand and grab the right ankle. For advanced, place your right hand behind the left hand behind the right foot. Your right hand is free, so twist, twist, twist. 5. Make sure both the legs remain straight. 4. Try to stack the shoulders on top of each other. 3, 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Control yourself. Both the palms on the mat. Gently come to the top of it. If placing the hand behind the foot is not helping you balance, grab the ankle. Our focus is on twisting more than the balancing, because we are doing twisting. Right? Same thing from the other side. This time, keep your left leg straight, bend your right leg. Lift, bring it back. Pelvic chest facing forward. Everyone ready? Inhale. Hinge at your hip, 90 degrees, and stretch your spine. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Gently take your right hand, grab the left ankle, or place it behind the foot. Left hand is free. Very gently. Twist, 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 twist. Both the shoulders stacked on top of each other. 5. Your arms, try to bring them in one line. 4. Twist your entire sternum. 3. Form one line of your arms. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Very gently. Bring your palms on top of the mat. Tuck your back toe out into a plank. Chaturanga. Inhale. Upward dog. Downward dog. Bend your knee, jump into standing forward foot. Exhale, gently. Twisting variation of Uttanasana, standing forward foot. This one can be slightly challenging, so do it according to your own flexibility. Yeah? Step 1, flare your feet out. Flare, 45 degrees. Squat. Left leg, left hand. Left leg, left hand. Step 1, place your left hand in front of the foot. Step 2, from the side. Bring your left palm under. Perfect. Step 3, flip it, pointing to the sky. Flip it. Other way. Yeah. Now, step 4, left hand, grab left hip. Step 6, right hand is free, right? Gently swing it behind and interlock the fingers. Step 6, straighten out your right leg. Step 7, kick your top shoulder back and look to the sky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your right leg. Both the palms on the ground. Palms behind your hip. Support your hip. Rise up. The more you squat, the easier the pose is. Alright? Let's try it on the other side now, yeah? Alright? It is slightly challenging, alright? Alright, squat. Right, right. Right hand in front of the right leg. Step 2, stick it under. Step 3, flip it, pointing to the sky. Step 4, grab your right hip. Step 5, swing your left hand behind and interlock the fingers. Step 6, straighten out your left leg. Step 7, kick your top shoulder back, look to the sky. 5, perfect, perfect. 4, 3, 2, deep inhale, exhale. Bend your leg, palms on the ground, palms behind your hip, support your hip, rise. Everyone okay? Yes, no? Next, we are going to do bound side angle pose. Okay? Let me show you how to do it. So just watch, and then we will do it together. Bound side angle pose. Baddha Barsha Konasana. But this one. Sit on the front leg. Left leg, left hand. Step 1. Step 2, sit the shoulder further. Step 3, flip. Step 4. Step 5. This is the most important. Step 6, pull your top shoulder back and hold. 5, make sure your knee is on top of ankle. Adjust yourself. 3, leg is straight. 2, deep inhale. Exhale. Don't be like this. Okay? We really want to do this and kick the top shoulder back. Alright? Everyone ready? Try as much as you can.
Yeah.
This is Alright. Step 1, create a gap in between your feet. Step 2, rotate your left foot 90 degrees. Right foot and left foot 90 degrees. Pelvic chest facing forward. Sit on your left leg. Knee on top of ankle. Left palm in front of the leg. Back leg is straight. Step 2, under. Step 3, flip. Step 4, grab your left butt. Step 5, right hand swing it behind. Interlock the fingers. Step 6, pull your top shoulder back and look to the sky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both the palms on the ground and very gently rise up. Rotate your feet. Same thing on the other side. So let's do it in steps, yeah? Sit on the front leg. Right hand. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Interlock. And pull your top shoulder back. Look to the sky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently, palms on the ground. Rise up. Let's do a relaxed child pose, yeah? Because we still have to do some more challenging poses. Relaxed child pose, 5 breath count. 5, 4, 3, 2, deep inhale, exhale. Bring your palms under your shoulders, push your body off the ground, knees together. Vajrasana, Thunderbolt. Plank. Chaturanga, no plank. Inhale, upward dog, downward dog. From downward dog, kick your left leg back, high in the sky, three-legged dog. Bring your left foot between your thumbs. Twist your back foot 90 degrees. Keep your right palm on the ground. And left hand is free. So twist, 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 twist. Stack your shoulders on top of each other. 5. Back foot. Back foot is 90 degrees on the ground. 4. 3. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Tuck your back foot out into a downward. From down dog, kick your right leg back, high in the sky, three-legged dog. Bring your right foot between your thumbs. Twist your back foot 90 degrees. Left palm on the ground. Right hand is free. Twist, twist, twist. Stack your shoulders on top of each other. 5. 4. 3. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Tuck your back foot out into plank. Chaturanga. Inhale. Upward dog. Downward dog. Stay in downward dog for 5 at a time. 5. 4. 3. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Gently get on your knees. Vajrasana, Thunderbolt. Today we are going to do threading the needle with your leg. Okay? I'll show you how to do it and then we will do it together. From downward dog. Step 1. Kick your left leg back. High in the sky, three-legged dog. Step 2. Bring your left knee towards chest. Step 3, left foot, kick it out. Step 5, place it on the ground. Step 6, rotate your back foot. Step 7, lift your left hand pointing to the sky. Try to have a 90 degrees between your legs. And if you want, you can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can just hold. Okay? Everyone ready? Two things. The 90, the more gap you have in your feet, the better your stability will be. Okay? Second, try to keep the arms straight. Don't bend it or you'll be out of balance. Let's go. From downward dog, kick your left leg back, high in the sky, three-legged dog. Left knee near chest. Swing your left leg in, place it on the ground. Right hand pointing to the sky. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to downward. From downward dog, kick your right leg back. High in the sky, three-legged dog. Right knee near chest. Swing your right leg out. Place it on the ground. Right hand on the ground. Left hand pointing up. 5, 4, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Back to downward dog. On your knees, Vajrasana, Thunderbolt. This was fun? Next one is going to be even more fun. So, it's called the wild pose, Chamatkarasana. It's going to completely stretch your body diagonally. It's opposite to what we did right now. Right now, we stuck the leg in. In this one, we're going to kick it back. I'll show you how to do it, and then we'll do it together, okay?
Flip the dog.
Huh?
You're doing the flip the dog?
Yeah, I'll show you how to do it.
Oh, okay.
Pay attention to the position of the feet and the legs. That is very important. Okay? Just watch. From downward dog, kick your left leg back, high in the sky, three-legged dog. Fold your left leg. At this point, twist your hip, right? Twist it. Twist your hip. Left foot, place it on the ground. Left foot is on the ground, right leg is straight. Side of the right leg on the ground. Left foot on the ground. Left hand. We're going to begin here. Don't let your buttocks touch the ground. Okay? Right hand near left foot. Inhale. I'm lifting my hand, pushing my buttock off the ground and stretching all the way. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Push, push, push. Exhale. Got it? No? Let's go. Let's go. Downward dog. Kick your left leg back. High in the sky, three-legged dog. Hold your left leg and twist your hip. First twist your hip. Twist your hip. Now, left leg on the ground. Push your left hand on the ground. Now, everyone ready? Inhale. Exhale. Up. Inhale. Exhale. Yep, you got it. 4, you got it. Inhale. Exhale. Swing your hand back. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Back to downward dog. Everybody, same thing on the other side. Kick your right leg back. High in the sky, three-legged dog. Bend your right leg. Twist your hip. Twist your hip. Twist your hip. Place your right leg on the ground. Inhale. Up. Right. Exhale. 5. Inhale up. Push your hip up. After. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Downward dog. Relax child pose. 5 breath time. 5. 4. 3. 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Bring your palms under your shoulders. Push your body off the ground. Knees together. Vajrasana. How was it? Next. Wide-legged forward fold. Wide-legged forward fold. Twist to one and twist two. So gently. Come, rise up. Create a gap in between your feet. Make sure your feet are parallel, not flared. Feet parallel, like railway tracks. Inhale. Exhale. Push your hip back. Palms on the ground. If you have enough flexibility, spread your legs out even furthermore and rest on your forearms. 5, 4, 3, 2, deep inhale, exhale. Bring your left palm on the ground, right hand is free. Twist, twist, twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your left palm on the ground. Swing your right hand behind your back and kick your top shoulder back. 5. Look to the sky. 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms on the ground. Very gently. Bring bring your palms under your legs and stretch your back. 5. Neck is loose and relaxed. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your palms in front and stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very gently. Bring your palms behind your hips, support your hip, rise up. Come to the middle of the mat. Vajrasana, thunderbolt. We're going to do one last challenging pose. It's a twist in pigeon pose. Okay? I'll show you how to do it. It's slightly challenging. Do it based on your flexibility. Don't push your body too hard. Okay? Just watch. Pigeon pose. From downward dog, Ekapadaraj Kaposasana. Kick your left leg back, high in the sky, three-legged dog. Bring your left foot behind right wrist. Back knee down, back toe up. Front hip, high, knee, calf, ankle, side of the foot. All are comfortably resting on the ground. Now twisting, how do you do twisting? Make sure your back leg is straight and active. Inhale, rise up, left elbow, mound of the foot if you can. So twist, stick it here and really twist your spine and look back. The key is keep the back leg straight and active. If at this point your leg is becoming like this, back off. Or you can even do this. Or you can just do this. Okay? This is good. This is also okay. This is also okay. Most important, keeping the back leg straight. When you keep the back leg straight and active, the twist benefit you get is the proper one. Okay? Everyone ready? From downward dog, kick your left leg back, high in the sky, three-legged dog. Bring your left foot behind the right wrist. Back knee down, back toe tucked out. Now if you can, front hip, high, knee, calf, ankle, side of the foot, all on the ground. Okay, good. Alright. It's a hip opening and a back bend. So you should have an arch in your lower back. Okay? Now, palms to heart center. Inhale. Rotate your sternum towards the right side. Stick your left elbow in the mound of the foot and push and look back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And very gently support your back. Deeper. Very good. Palms on the ground. To get out of the pose, tuck your back toe in, back knee up, down, dog. From downward dog, kick your right leg back, high in the sky, three-legged dog. Right foot behind left wrist. Back knee down, back toe up. Alright, ready? Inhale. Exhale. Twist towards left. Right elbow. Stick it. And back. 5. Make sure your back leg is active and straight. 4, 3, 2. Deep inhale. Exhale. Now very gently. Palms on the ground, tuck your back foot in, back knee up, downward dog, Vajrasana, thunderbolt. Alright, so we are done with the dynamic poses for the day. Now we are going to do simple static stretching. Okay? Sukhasana, easy pose. Both the buttocks on the ground, back is straight. Parivritta Sukhasana, we're going to do simple twisting. Take your left thumb center of the spine, place it back. Right hand, gently grab your left knee and twist. You see the shoulders, right? So twist, 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 and look back. 5. Make sure you don't lean back. 4. You're good. 3, 2, deep inhale, exhale. Come back to neutral. Same thing on the other side. Right thumb center of the spine. Remember, we are twisting our spine along vertical axis. Don't do this. This and twist. Chest out, coming in. And twist, twist, twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Gently forward fold in Sukhasana. Let's relax our spine a little bit. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, gently head up, chest up, stretch, 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 stretch. At the end, relax your neck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And very gently. Straighten out your legs. Dandasana, fast pose. Buttocks on the ground, back straight. Legs are active. Quads are tight, calves are tight, feet pull towards you. Inhale. Lift your left hand through your legs. Hinge at your hip, fold forward. Twist your hand. Twist. Left hand, grab the outer edge of the right foot. Now, if you have to bend your leg, that is fine. We are going to focus on twisting. So lift, lift, lift. Twist, twist, twist. 5. Your left leg is active. Pull your left foot towards you. 4, 3, 2, deep inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Twist, grab, lift, twist. 5. Make sure your right leg is active, toes pull towards you. 4, feet pull towards you. 3, yep, perfect. 2, deep inhale, exhale, and relax. Paschima Dandasana, Pariyutta Dandasana. A twist in Dandasana. Inhale. Exhale towards the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to neutral. Now when we go and twist on this side, I want everyone to notice your spine. Okay? It should not be like this. It should be like this. Even if you are not able to twist too much, that is fine. Spine is straight. Okay? Inhale. And twist. 5. Perfect. 4. Feet are pulled towards you. Feet are always active in all seated poses. 3, 2, deep inhale, exhale. Twisting, right? Ardha Matsyendrasana, the Lord of Half Fish, is one of the best poses for twisting. Okay? So, step 1, bring your feet like this. Step 2, bring your right leg under. Step 3, left leg. And twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Switch, switch. And twist. 5, 4, 3, Next, Bharadwaja's twist. Into twist 1 and 2. So for this one, swing your left leg out like this. Bring your right foot near the thigh. Both the buttocks on the ground. And we're going to twist either side. Okay? Inhale. First towards left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to neutral. Inhale. Towards right. 5. Make sure both the buttocks are on the ground. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to neutral. Let's do the 2. First 2. Both sides. Inhale. Towards left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing on the other side. Yeah. Bharadwaja's twist. Both the buttocks on the ground. Inhale. Towards the right this time. Twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Towards left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to neutral. Twist 2. Towards the right. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Towards left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last pose of the day, Shavasana, cool down period. So gently lie on your back. Palms by your side facing the sky. Straighten out your legs. Gently spread your legs and relax your feet. You have just put your body through 1 hour of intense yoga poses. This is the time we give our body to heal and relax. Relax all your muscles, all your tissues and all your ligaments. Completely relax. Let go of all the stress. Just focus on your breathing. Very gently wiggle your toes, rotate your ankles, wiggle your fingers. Gently rotate your leg from side to side. Keeping your eyes closed, roll over to the right side of the body and gently get up and sit in the easy Sukhasana. Bring your palms to heart center. Rub your palms together and feel the heat generated. Open your palms in front of your face. Deep inhale. Exhale. Very gently open your eyes. Namaste. This is the end of the session. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.